Hello everyone, this is Ishan from techguruguy.com. Today we have Ring wireless home security system, which is 5 set with 3 door sensors and 2 motion detectors. But one thing extra I got is outside siren. So why did I go with outside siren is that because I actually wanted to actually sound in case of any intruder entry outside. So because it's not monitored by any third party or ring.com in my situation, so if anyone in the neighbors will hear that, obviously they can call police if it need to be. Whereas if standard 5 sensors system, you will have keypad and one center hub, obviously with the door contacts. So let's open them and see what's inside, and then obviously later in this video I'll show you how to install. It's very simple. I used to work with Yale. That was another intruder entry system. I find this is more advanced rather than the Yale. You can pair as many as devices with one single hub, whereas in Yale they have different type of systems like 4, 8, so you can pair only 4 devices, which includes the door contact and the motion sensor. R8, so you have to buy separate type of main hub, whereas this is going to be one hub and it will do everything. The difference with the siren, as I mentioned earlier, is the outside. So for instance, if intruder is there, it's going to sound outside. Because we don't have any monitored security, which is like ADT or some of the other companies they do, you have to monitor yourself. So if you don't get a signal on your phone or you're not around, obviously your neighbor can hear the siren and call the police or any other authority. Whereas the Ring also offers paid subscription with should be in the booklet in there once we open. So what they do is that they offer a paid service, which is a monthly, a yearly. They can monitor for you, so it's like monitor service. So that's another thing. With the Yale, I find very difficult. They do have, but it's not as good as the Ring would offer. Okay, let's start unboxing them. So let's open the siren first. Seems very simple. Okay. So, alright. So this is siren, the booklet. And quite nice and sleek. That's going to be installed outside. Again, battery powered. You don't need to provide any main power to it. Okay, so the next one we have the door contact. Is very simple. And I'll just open one because the other ones, once I'm going to install them, I'll open the rest of them. So that's the one with the push button to configure. Okay. And this is the motion sensor. Again, motion sensor with a button to basically pair with the main hub. Okay, So these are the things, they're all the same anyway. So let's set up the ring base station. That will sit next to your router. And what you need, it has a Ethernet port, reset button, Wi-Fi, which is to extend its own network. This is the button you need, which is pairing. So every device you install, just press that button, and there's a button on the device itself, like this is the motion sensor, it has a button, and then it will pair. Okay, the power cable, which will go into DC adapter, which is just down here. So I put it there. It's very sleek, it has a notch always. And the Ethernet port straight in, and that's it. It's ready to actually work. As soon as I plug it in, plug the Ethernet cable, it will start functioning. So that's ready for me. The actual ring motion sensor, so you don't need to put very close to the wall. Leave slight gap from the top of the wall, but what is, you just push up, which it should push down, sorry, and then slide out. And what you need to do when you put it back, you need to align these notches back to the actual sensor, and which is, so it's here. It's hard to see, but you will find it. So then you align them together, it'll come together. Once you're ready to install, just take this off, this white plastic, the plastic which is to protect the battery life. So once you take it off, it's ready to pair, and I'll show you what will happen. So I've taken this out. See, it's ready to pair. Okay, that's the thing. And the last one, I would like to show you the door contact. Again, it's easy. So basically this is wireless, and it has the battery inside, which lasts a good time. Right, same thing for this, and you press that button. Basically the battery goes in there, you need to pull this plastic out, and then again green light will come up to pair. It has to be not very close, but in same proximity, and then it will function. So next stage, I'm just going to install the motion detector, and I'll talk about this more. Thanks. Keypad is very easy to install. It has 3 holes. You just screw them on the wall and slide the keypad on the wall. It's very easy to install. Right, the door contact, 2 screws. It's very easy, everyone can do it. Let's put 2 screws. As I mentioned earlier, you just need to take the plastic off from the back and just align the notches, and that's it. It's ready. So it's ready to pair. So door contact is very simple to install. Align this together wherever you're installing part of the door. That will go something like this, as you can see. And it has a sticky tape thing. You just peel it off, stick to the door, and you can easily screw them. To actually open the front, it's very easy. Just need to slide, comes off. Okay, and you just need to take the plastic out. That's it. Installing the Ring Outdoor Siren. It has the level in there, built-in level. Just align them together according to the level. Do the holes, which is 5.5 drill holes, and use the plugs given, and just mount it together. So I've done the holes already, and I'm gonna try to mount it and show you how it looks. So I have mounted, I had the holes already, so I mounted in the wall, The other thing I want to show you this now is you can actually you need to open this. There are 3 screws which are already open, and slide up forward so that then you can get the access to the that's it. So again, plastic here, take it off, then it'll make the alarm active. If you want to test it, you can press that button to test, reset. So there you have it, the complete installation of Ring alarm. So hopefully this video has been help. Please do subscribe our channel for future videos, and do visit techguruguy.com for more articles on tech. Thank you.